We have the opportunity to bring in students who need internship credit and also the general public to participate in this internship with local manufacturing companies. Typically, it's to do energy audits to increase their energy efficiency.
Taking on this internship has really broadened my horizons on what it's all about. And having the opportunity to learn about energy auditing and specific energy costs and how we can incorporate those into a lot of companies and outside people. We can really focus on how those things can be incorporated and make our island a more sustainable place.
We want more and more people to have a good understanding of what it takes to do an energy audit and to create a report and to do a presentation to business people. And we see that as both a value for students, but also for the community members to come in, get this knowledge, be able to do a report and a presentation, and take that for their job skills.
I learned a lot more from hands-on experience. So actually going in there and seeing, actually being able to work with Austin and watch things being plugged in the wall and get real readings and unscrewing light bulbs and that sort of thing. It's a lot easier for me to understand amps and kilowatt hours and that sort of thing, rather than just having someone give a lecture on it.
The hands-on experience allowed me to get a better feel for what was really happening. I could study in a book or online or in a video, but actually going out to the site, working with the data loggers, seeing them be converted into Excel, the actual process brought me to an understanding of what was really happening.
I would like to get into the energy field in the future potentially, so I think this gives me a little bit of a greater understanding and kind of one foot forward for whenever I do start going to put out resumes, that sort of thing. So I already have a little bit of a background working with a manufacturing company.
I've made a lot of really good contacts professionally with Maui Disposal, HCNS, and a lot of the organizations at school, that going forward to create a new internship or job for myself, I feel like I have contacts that I can call and get more contacts from.
What I've seen time and time again is that the interns, I'll call them interns, they come into this usually without much experience, certainly in the energy field. They haven't been in a business, so they haven't been on site trying to do something. They haven't necessarily written a report or created a PowerPoint, so they come in pretty green and nervous. Can I do this? And so as they go through this, they come out with an amazing amount of knowledge of how to do this work, this energy efficiency and resource management on site, working with a manufacturing company, and then preparing a PowerPoint, and then giving a presentation and writing a written report. So within a semester, they've really upped their professional abilities.
Yeah, they should definitely go for it. It's a great way to get kind of the basics and get a good basis or foundation for energy and for actually working with companies and that sort of thing.
It's a great program and definitely give it a try. I saw myself as more of a conservationist, and I wasn't sure if energy auditing was something that I would feel passion for, but after going through this whole process, I really like it.
For me, the satisfaction it really comes from seeing the difference between the kind of deer in the headlight initial intern who's like, I don't understand this, I don't know how it's going to work, I don't know if I can do it, to the pride that they have in their product by the end. And that's so rewarding, because it's, how meaty it is, how much they've done and how substantial the product is that they deliver, and they are proud, and it's great.
For more information regarding the Slim Innovate Hawaii Manufacturing Internship Program, contact Melanie Stevens at 984-3502 or visit the website at sustainablemaui.org.